Today, we are going to continue talking about the ACT Aspire review. So please turn in your journals to page 11. We will start with the Pythagorean theorem today. Okay, so the Pythagorean theorem. Who in here remembers what it is? Okay, so that's the formula of the Pythagorean theorem, but that's not what it is. What is the Pythagorean theorem? What does it do? What's the point? Okay, what kind of triangle?
Right triangle.
All right, so it helps us to find the lengths of a right triangle. So it has to be a right triangle. If it's not right, it won't work. If it's not right, it's not right. It's a play on words for you. You already said that the formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, what are my a and my b?
They're the shortest sides.
Okay, so they're the legs. You are correct. And some things we know about the legs is that one, Giovanni, they're the shortest sides, and what was the other thing? They're touching the right angle. So in this triangle, the A and the B should be these two sides because they're touching this right angle. All right, and then what is this long side called?
Hypotenuse.
The hypotenuse. What are some things we know about the hypotenuse? It's longest, and it never touches the right angle. This is the C. All right? Now, the idea behind Pythagorean theorem is that the small side plus the small side equals the big side. Or it could be big side minus small side equals the other small side. That's why it's important to know which one's the legs and which one's the hypotenuse. Any questions? So let's do an example of one together. All right, the formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. They should make a song about that.
They already have a song.
All right. On this question, I would like you guys to take a moment, take a look, think about what you would do. You don't have to start doing it because we're going to do it together, but think about what you would do. Everybody got an idea? All right. What are we missing here? A leg, which means we're going to subtract. This is big minus little equals little. So this is 27 squared, which is the hypotenuse, minus 18 squared equals our x. And then we're going to take the square root at the end too. So 27 squared minus 18 squared. Somebody?
105.
I'm not that smart to do it in my head.
105.
105?
400.
405. And the square root of that?
20.124611.
Okay, that's good. 20.1. All right, that's the Pythagorean theorem. Any questions? If we would have had this side and this side, instead of having this, we would have added right here. All right, we are going to do some examples.